All right, so we back on the M. I got this bristle carpet cleaner. Look at this carpet, man. Whoever was sitting back here in 95 was disrespectful, man. Had your kids in the M. Disrespectful. Disrespectful. All in the back, disrespectful. So, we're about to see if the bristle works. If the bristle gonna work like a missile. Then I got the Ziznet carpet shampoo. Cause bristle, y'all be charging the grip, but we about to see if it works. All right, let's see what this bristle thing do. We about to see y'all. Bristle, and we about to make the bristle. It's artificial. Hey, it's low-key working. Hey, that's crazy. Keep working, man. It's working, y'all. I'm flipping out right now. Get that corner, y'all. That's crazy how clean it can look. Crazy how clean it's coming out. That's crazy just for that. So now I'm gonna put some more carpet solution and then clean the front. Then I'm gonna give me a little bristle brush for the corners so I can scrub in the corners. But damn, just for that back, it came out clean. All right, so now I'm about to get this side cracking. Look at that, man. But what I can say is the other side came out sick. So, and remember the other side was all messed up. So, I got faith in it on this side. So I think this side's about to be looking new too. Oh yeah. I come to think I was about to change the carpet out. I gave up on it. So let's get it. So damn, it did work. Look at that, man. Looks like a new carpet. Let me move this out the way so y'all can really see. So yeah, man, from before, oh my God, it looked crazy. It was super dirty. Now, wet. So, I'm happy, man. I'm happy with the final product. I didn't think it was gonna work at all, but it actually worked good. Honestly, like the little smudges right there, that's just like dirt I can just suck up. So tomorrow I'm gonna suck it up some more. Pause. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna get right, but it's clean. It's way better than before. And then the other side, like, dang, it's like a new carpet, bruh.